All right, everybody. So we've got a 2022 Toyota RAV4, and this front USB port here that goes to the stereo is not working anymore. It keeps disconnecting from the phone or not wanting to connect. And the only thing that kind of makes it work is you kind of wiggle the cord around while it's inside the plug there, unplug it, plug it in, and then it sometimes it connects, sometimes it doesn't. But if you bump it or do anything, then it disconnects. So what we are going to do is we're going to change that out, because I'm pretty sure that's the problem. Because like I say, when I have the cord in there, if you bump it at all, it disconnects, but sometimes if I push it up, it'll connect. So the problem is going to probably be in that USB plug. It seems to be pretty common. So I'm going to show you how to replace that. This is the part number for the new one, if you would like to get it. I think it cost me about $100 with shipping to actually get that in hand. This vehicle has 62,000 miles on it, and now it's become the problem. So let's get this changed. All right, so what I'm gonna try to do is we got to pull this panel out so we can pull this panel out. This one's on top of this one. So you can take this shifter knob off. You just pull this down. It pulls down, it comes down. There's a clip on the front of this right here, a little metal clip to remove it, and it's right there in the front, right here. So you pull that out the front, and then this will come off. I'm going to try to do this without actually removing that, because I don't know if it's necessary to pull all this out. So let's put this back up, turn a key on, not to run, pull this back, and shut our key off. Reach up in the front here where this front crack is. You can get your fingers in there by pushing that down a little bit. And we'll pop the front of that up. This to get the back. That up, so just kind of pull this up a little bit. Reach down in the front here, pull that up, and this comes out. So this is our plug right there. Just gonna grab that, squeeze the little tab in, if I can get it. Unplug that, and there's going to be two little tabs on the side here. You're going to depress these tabs and then slide this little charger port or USB port forward. And then it comes out. You can see the two little tabs on the side. We take our new one, which is this guy here, and it only goes in one way. There's a little lock and keys on it. Slide that in like that. Plug this guy back in. Put this back in. This. Slide that forward. Put that back in park. Key off, and it is replaced. So you don't have to take this off, or this shifter off. You can if you want to get this totally out of the way, but as you can see, it is not necessary. So that is that. Now I'm going to test it, see if it works. All right, so I got it all plugged in. We're working up here. CarPlay is on. Hold this, wiggling the cord, not dropping out. So it appears like that's fixed. Hope that helps somebody. Thanks for watching.